Hello and welcome to a live update on Australia's international borders. So, Australia's international borders are due to open next week, Wednesday, 15th of December. And I know that many of you are very excited about this. I am very excited about this, and our whole team is excited about this because it was meant to open on the 1st of December, and then of course the Omicron variant has appeared, and so Australia's government has decided to pause the opening of the international borders to keep Australians and Australia safe. But yeah, so now it is looking that international borders open on the 15th for certain visa holders. And there is a lot of visa types on that list. If you haven't seen the list, I believe we wrote a blog post. Yes, we did write a blog post on that. So go to our website and go to free resources and then click blog, and that's where you can see the overview of the various visa types that will be allowed to enter Australia from this Wednesday, the 15th of December. So yeah, this is super exciting. Now, of course, I know that many of you are also there already here in Australia. And so many of you are here in Australia on, for example, student visas, or you have graduate visas, and so obviously that's all temporary visas, and you of course need further visas to be able to stay in Australia. So a temporary visa is always only valid for a certain period of time, and you need to make sure that you have a strategy in place that leads you to the next visa, and that eventually, if that is your goal, enables you to stay in Australia permanently, so that you get your permanent residency and that you eventually get your citizenship. So feel free to ask questions, okay? So feel free to put questions in the comment box. Also let me know, obviously this is a live, let me know if you are watching the replay, put hashtag replay in the comments, and still feel free to put your questions in the comment box. More than happy to answer questions. I know these times have been challenging for a lot of people, including myself. I'm also only a human being, and I run an immigration business. So trust me, I've had my challenges, and it's completely okay to face challenges and overcome challenges, because it makes us stronger. It makes us, what's the word I'm looking for? There's a really good word and it just escaped me. English, it's my second language too, right? So you don't have to be perfect. Resilient. See, my brain, I love how the brain and how the mind works. So it makes you resilient. Facing challenges makes you resilient, stronger. If you're in Australia, I know that many of you may have a COVID visa that may come to an end. So what is your plan? What is your plan after the COVID visa, for example? Also, if you're currently on a student visa or graduate visa or any other temporary visa, and you are thinking about applying for a COVID visa, well, my tip is have a plan B, because we don't know for how much longer the COVID visa is going to be available for, especially when Australia is opening borders. The COVID visa may be a thing of the past. Because the COVID visa was really only an initiative from the Department of Home Affairs to keep people safely and legally in Australia while they were not able to actually go anywhere else because of the situation, because there was no flights, because COVID was really bad in home countries, because it was prior to having vaccines. So currently the COVID visa is still available. However, it is likely that this will be coming to an end. And so you need to have a strategy. So in order to have a strategy, it is important that you speak to a migration agent like us. Okay, so I urge you to make an appointment for a consultation, and it doesn't matter if you are overseas or in Australia. If you not yet have permanent residency, speak to us. We can help you, we can give you advice, we can give you a strategy that gets you from where you are to where you want to be. And yeah, we are open throughout Christmas. Okay, so obviously we will be closed on the public holidays. So there's public holidays in Australia, and so just watch out for that. But other than that, maybe, like if you have more time available during the Christmas break, maybe that's a really, really, really good time to get on top of your immigration. If you have holidays or just, a more quiet time, maybe that is a really, really good time to book in for a consultation with us. Yeah, we are very busy in December and January because we are one of the very limited agencies that are actually open during Christmas and New Year's. So we are open all the way through December, January, and yeah. So go to our booking page and book your consultation, and then we will speak with you very, very soon. Bye for now.